Okay, this is the 4.5-inch grinder from Denali. Nice unit. Battery slides in. I want to put my disc on, but where's that spanner wrench? Oh, that's right. It's in the handle. This is incredible. I love this feature. I'm always looking for my spanner wrench, but they put it right in the handle on this unit. Well worth it. Stores right back in. I won't lose it that way. Let's check it out. Works pretty good. Get the battery back out. There's a little handle down here so you can adjust the shield anywhere you want it. Real easy. And that's it.